All right, this is where the real fun begins. Part 5, sheet library and importing plans. This is the final step in the profile category. To upload your floor plans, select Upload New Sheets, name your version set, date it, and then choose your file. Note here, you need to upload a 2-scale PDF of the floor plans. Once you click Upload, your sheets will appear in the sheet library. Typically, you'll want to upload floor plans that you would normally do an area takeoff of, just a standard architectural floor plan. You can always upload more than one PDF. Note that your PDF can be multiple pages and they will be separated out into sheets here. Now, you may not want all of these sheets in your project. So in this step, you select which sheets you do want in your project. Another important note, the sheet number for each of your pages needs to be unique. In future uploads, sheets with the same sheet number will be considered revisions and will essentially be slip sheeted in for the old sheet. And then select Import Sheets to Project. Once imported, you're ready to move on to the layout step. This is the Sheet Layout tab. On the Sheet Layout tab, this white space is your canvas. Over here, this indicates which level or floor you're on. And here are the sheets that you just imported to your project. To place them on the canvas, make sure you're on the right level. Select the sheet, define the scale, and select Place on Canvas. Once your sheet is on the canvas, you can right-click and crop, or you can lock your sheet. One thing this allows you to do, and I'll show you now, is if you have multiple enlarged drawings for one floor, you can add multiple sheets to the canvas. Then, once they're on the canvas together, you can crop your sheets. And splice them together to create one overall drawing for you to work on. I recommend locking your sheets once this is done. All right, now that you have your floor plans on the canvas, the stage is set and you're ready to move on to Part 6, Space Creation.